Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to invite friends on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Candy Crush Saga game. Then tap on your profile icon. Now tap on Friends option. Select Invite Friends button. Now select any one of the app. Now tap on the send button to invite the friend. And this is how you can invite friends on Candy Crush Saga. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.